if you love Scentsy, you are going to love their Whiff box. So if you want to see what's in one of these guys, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe is off doing Chloe things and Bandit is under the bed because he heard some thunder. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. It's free to subscribe, so why not join us? And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. We so appreciate all of your support. This is the Scentsy Whiff box. So if you love the Scentsy bricks and all of the burners and all of the different products they have, this is a great way to kind of get a great deal on them because you get everything in this box at a very low price. I have it in the description. I forget when I'm filming it, but it is a great way to try out different scents and different products that they have. Now I do get this from a gal named Stacy, and her information is down below if you want to check out her site. She is a consultant and you can just order regular items, or this is an ongoing, but you can cancel at any time. So by the time I get it and show it, it's probably not the current one. This should be the July box, and I'm filming this on July 13th. So I don't know if you were to order now if you would get this box or the next month's box. Although I think you can get the box up until the end of the month. I feel like. Don't quote me on that. All right, here is your sneak peek. Now I want you to see something in here. Did you see this? They're sending the waxes in the summertime in this bag so that they don't melt, which is a fantastic thing. So this says, usually there's a hint to the theme. This says 20 years. So they're celebrating Scentsy. I guess is turning 20. So we have a variety of products. We have two of these little car hangers. One is in Sugar Cookie and the other is in Sun Kissed Citrus. How wonderful is that? And even if you don't put these in your car, you can put these in your drawers, or if you're packing away clothes in like a Rubbermaid bin, you can throw it in there. Next, we have a fragrance flower. This is Zinnia Zen. And we did get one of these around Christmas time, and I actually just kind of finished up all of the oil in there. And the little wicks here, so it's going to go into something with the oil scent that they have chosen to go with this. The fragrance flower oil is in the scent Happy Birthday. So, oops. It's not that it's a flower scent, it goes with the actual kind of flower topper. Right, so we have this that you're going to put over top once you put your flower in. Right now it's in protective seal. I want to open it because I might spill it, but I'm going to guess it smells like birthday cake. So you're going to put your flower in, you're going to put this in, you're going to put the flower in. The flower's just going to sit on top of this. This will be down here, obviously. And scent will slowly start to come out as it starts to go through the flower. Sometimes the flowers even change colors, so that's pretty cool. This has like a purple hint to it, so I wonder if it turns that flower purple. All right, last in here, we have our scent brick or bricks. I'm not really sure. So this even has one of these in here that would have been frozen when it came in to keep these from melting. We have 4. We have Clean Breeze. Now, at work, so many people are now having like wax melt because it's kind of, you know, musky smelling, particularly in the summertime when there's all that humidity. So like there's a few other people, and one day one of the guys was like, "Hey, you got any wax melts?" I'm like, "Yeah, have your pick. What do you want?" So that has that like fresh linen scent. We have Welcome Home in this purple. Oh, that smells like Christmas. You know what I mean? Like, if you ever had that Christmas candle from Yankee Yankee Candle. I think it's Under the Mistletoe or something like that. Oh, I like that. Definitely, though, a winter scent for me. Honeysuckle Harvest. I feel like we've got every season, because this is like a spring scent. I mean, this one's a winter scent or holiday winter scent. This is like a spring scent. This honeysuckle is like a summer to me. Remember, we used to just like pull the little things out and suck on the honeysuckle. Oh, this is very lightly scented, but pretty, very pretty. And baked apple pie. This is fall, so I think we got each season. Oh, I can smell like the apple is a light scent, but you can smell like the cinnamon, maybe a hint of caramel. Oh, I thought it was really cool that they did all 4 seasons. And with this, we have 2 seasons. We have sugar cookie, which to me is winter, and citrus, which to me is like spring summer. All right, that is my Scentsy Whiff box. I know it's a short video, so hopefully y'all hung out with me to the end. And let me know your thoughts. What is your favorite season? I love fall, but I'm a summer girl. Definitely a summer girl. Although when summer's over, I love fall because I'm a pumpkin spice kind of person, you know, and I love the scents in the air and all of that. But I do love being in the water in the summertime. So there's that. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.